Hello, Stevie here at Scraps Glued Over Paper, my YouTube and Etsy channel shop, where I have a lot of supplies for junk journalers and even collagers. I emphasize junk journals though. And it's wow, cool today, 10 degrees under normal. So I thought I need to be upstairs in the cool 75 degree weather and working. So that's what I'm trying to do is some videos, get some knocked out. And I had gone through and cut or tore the pages, some of the pages and stuff, mostly all the pictures, out of this little book that has this little gold dragon, flying dragon, carnival at candlelight, magic tree house. Oh, that's a Mary Pope Osborne. Anyway, that's not what it's gonna be. And I found this fabric, these seams and things, and I thought, well, this could make a good tie, possibly. And this, I'm thinking I can put I was thinking spine, but maybe not. Maybe I'll leave the spine with the name on it. Don't know how fat it's gonna get. I was gonna try and keep it pretty small, thinking more maybe a collage glue book. And so I should go looking for gold and blues to glue in here. That's what I think I'll do off camera. So, and I appreciate you if you're still here. And that was a short. And it's going the wrong direction. Oh, maybe it's not a short. It's over 3 minutes. So I'll just, let's see, what can I do for a few more minutes? Maybe I can find some things. Here's some gold. You know, I don't plan these things. It's like, it's a nice cool day. So I'm up here trying to throw some stuff together that's entertaining and maybe something you don't know or want to know or don't want to know, but enjoy the randomness. I do a lot of randomness. Look at this. Oh, that's a little kit. I'm going to put that in my drawer with my other sewing stuff. Look at all those little threads. Get back in there. I needed that the other day. These are old, vintage, wooden. Cool. These probably shouldn't be in here. I'll look. And this is my day. I go around changing gears all the time. Let's see what's in here. This is a sewing kit too. Let's see. Oh, look at that. It looks pretty complete. Nice. I don't know. Should I sell this in my Etsy shop? What do you think? Oh, that's a different sewing kit. It doesn't go with this. Let me know in the comments what you think I should do with this. Oh, look at those old cardboard. Oh, look, they turn. That's cool. And this goes. And this stays in it. Oh, vintage threads and a vintage needles. Okay, I don't need that. What's in here? Anything? Is it just that green? It's just for the green. That's cool. Throw that over here. And this. Funny how hotels used to put little sewing kits in your room. So, yeah. Wow. I think there's some extra stuff in here. I mean, why do you need paper clips in a sewing kit? Yeah. I'm going to just leave this out. Give me some feedback on it. And then I'll decide what I want to do with it. Thank you for watching, and I'm going to get some stuff together, and then I'll be back with more. Bye! Everything's in the description.